Since the dawn of human history, our species has been tribal. This tribal mentality, this tribal mindset has brought to nothing but chaos and disaster. The result of this tribal mindset is the story of war and misery. Each one of us likes to think of himself as a good person, that he likes to help the other, that you can feel the pain of the other, that you want to do good for society and well for the environment. So let me ask you 3 questions. A suffering mother for the loss of her son, does it matter what color or race she is? Or an aspiring young man to succeed in the real world, make his parents and family proud, does it matter what is his name or what language does he speak? Even an animal in suffer, when you see it, don't you feel the pain? Stories, such as moral stories, have the power to shape mankind's destiny. Some stories that survive time, able to deliver universal messages, transcending generations. This is your story to tell.